still wiping the sleep out of my eyes. Yeah. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about. I think that's the biggest one I've caught in this lake. Okay, we're gonna put this guy on the wood stove today. That's a nice fish. That's a cutthroat trout. You can see the little red lines there underneath its mouth. There we go. That's a beauty. Okay, so I got crab bait. That's carcass. It was a female, so it's got eggs. These I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna make some caviar, give that a try, similar to what I did my salmon caviar. And I filleted it, so on purpose, so I've got the fillets in here, and it's nice. The meat is nice and orange, like pinky orange in there. It's really, really nice color. Anyway, for now, we'll stuff it down here. We still got a couple elk burgers to have today, which is gonna be delicious, and got some nice wild caught trout.
I don't think I can eat beef anymore. How do I get elk, moose, or bison?
Oh yeah.
Like my new food.
Next year, I'm not gonna waste time with deer. I'm just going straight for it.
Oh, just go look at the pretty deer. Oh, look at the pretty deer.
Yeah.
Fuck the deer. Fuck the medicine. Jesus.
Yeah. It's a game changer. Yeah. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers. Secret order of elk burger.
Oh yeah, man. Magic elk.
Magic is right.
Oh yeah! More bacon and more elk burgers. So looking forward to that. There we go. So we got up to there, and we can't go higher unless we build the scaffolding higher. We're gonna put one more board along the top up there to get the light switch started, but then we're gonna stop because the next board has got to go over the railing and match up with the inside of the loft. So the next step is going to be going up so that it match up with that. Topping it up with the bacon. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. There we go. Whew. Cheers, buddy.
Pretty good. This is pretty good.
Oh yeah, dude.
This is a good day.
Yeah, this is an awesome day. There goes the BC ferry lady back there. She just let me know that the 5 p.m. ferry got canceled too. So anyway, there's a big line behind me. There's a big line in front of me, and the wind is still windy. So I'm just hanging out in the van here. I should probably wrap this up, guys. I don't know, because I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else today. I'm just gonna go get to the other side on the main island, get myself a shower, and then yeah, just, I don't know, clean up, go find a place to sleep, and that's about it. I was hoping that maybe I could make it all the way over to the mainland tonight, but depending on how this goes, it might be a bit of a stretch to do that. So we'll see. But anyway, that's where I'm heading, going over to Vancouver and Squamish. I've got an appointment in Squamish to go to. I've got some friends that I'm going to meet up with Portal Cove, hopefully for tomorrow night. So it'll be nice to do a nice campfire meal with them. And I got those 2 steaks to cook up, so I'll probably cook those guys up. And also that trout. But anyway, stay tuned for that one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Not so much van life content this one, but the house is doing pretty good. Yeah, next one I'm going to be camping with it, so we'll see you soon. Bye for now, guys.